Kia ora e te whānau, ko Jamaronsa hau, ko Matariki, takou inga o Māori. No ingarangi, no kōterangi o ku te puna, e mihi ana ki a koutou. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa. I whānau mai au, i kaitaia. I tupu ake ai au I, o te huhu, akarani. Kei ahuriri ahau, e noho ana ai anei. He rotonga, Aoitepö. He nehi ahau, he kai ako ahau hoki. Ko te mea tino pai ki ahau, ko taku tānei, ko whānau, ko Ngā Hau, ko Shortland Street, me te reo Māori. I started this journey on the Wānanga maybe a couple of years ago. Because of this Wānanga, I can go to my workplace. I teach in a classroom and I can do a karakia before class and after class, and I can pronounce the different places in the hospitals. I have a much better understanding of cultural safety, and I have a much better connection with te reo and the wairua that comes with it. So where I am in my journey is, I still struggle with pronunciation. I still have to speak really slowly. It's still quite difficult for me, but I feel as though I'm really learning and learning and learning, and being able to actually use it in the workplace has been amazing for me. I love coming to the Wānanga. I don't have a natural pronunciation of the language, so I listen really hard to all the beautiful sounds of all the people on the Wānanga, and I try and steal it and put it in my te reo. So it was really exciting to see everybody. I was a little bit whakama because I don't know you, but it was beautiful to just hear all those sounds. Lovely to see you all, and ka kite anō.